If you think about talent challenges, if I say low-hanging fruit, choose your battle wisely, um, think about some questions. And those are the questions I think they should be asked before you come to any kind of project. So what does your internal client want, your stakeholder? There should be the CHRO in the case of people analytics. What do the single departments want? Whom does it benefit? Is there anyone who would be attacked? So for example, when you understand that the managerial quality is low, could it be that some leaders are really, really attacked when you put this too much in the center of your research? Or could you maybe put this as a side note so to sneak this in without having a full-fledged attack against the current leadership? Would you thrive or would you wither when you do such a program? It could be that actually you come up with a case of results and everyone's happy, but someone very up the ladder says, okay, we need to stop it. And then you wonder why you suddenly don't get the data anymore, why you can't get a new computer system, etc. And your life gets unnecessarily hard. So this is very important that you also choose the project in a way that you benefit from it. And then does what you do make sense in theory and practice? So you can come up with all kinds of weird predictive models, for example, the size of the ceiling or whatever, the color of the carpets or what, it makes no sense whatsoever. You need to be really actionable and it must make business sense what you do in order to come up with a model that's accepted, right? And then basically, and then of course the question is, are you able to deliver it? Because it doesn't help you at all if you come up with something really, for example, people prefer being in a building that has a certain size, but your company will not buy a new building just because of your model. So you shouldn't come up with such elements in the first place. All in all, I truly believe that there are only 3 genuine talent challenges. So even if you speak about employee engagement, I think engagement can be broken down into subcomponents and they fall in one of those 3 patterns. Either selecting the right people, which means that you get people on board that are easily to be onboarded, that you get people on board that fit very well with the social context and the culture. Do you retain those people, right? So basically, if you have someone who performs stable, how will this person stay? Because this is what you want, right? You want to have a solid foundation where people perform stably. And then basically last thing, of course, how can we optimize it? How can we arrange the team in a way that people go well together? How can we arrange the work patterns and the career paths, of course, it is that actually people are really willing to give it all, to really work more on it. But there are many more expressions, of course, of those 3 buckets. So let me show you some expressions that are all somehow falling into the big picture of employee engagement. This performance optimization, talent acquisition, talent planning, risk management, capability development, leadership management, and coaching. You see, it gets really granulated. And this is what I want you to do. When you think about employee engagement, this is a tech word. And once you really go deep and you drill down and you get into a point that you understand better what exactly the subcomponents are, then you're on the right field. Because everything else would be so broad that you cannot operationalize it, neither mathematically with a predictive model, nor on a qualitative level when you want to train people, for example. So you really need to break it down into single components, and the more it goes into concrete behaviors, the better it is.